When it comes to generative AI, data is king. The more data you have, and the more relevant data you have, I should say, the more powerful and effective your large language model would be, especially if you have fine tuned it on that custom data. Most of world's data which is relevant to enterprises lives within Oracle databases. Oracle database is still world's number one database when it comes to enterprise level data store. So more and more companies are looking to bring generative AI or intelligence to that data. Oracle databases are at the back end of business intelligence tool for a long time. And now generative AI is becoming a norm, then there is no wonder that companies are looking to use that data, and I mean the data within their Oracle databases, as the backbone of their generative AI applications. So if you're using Oracle database, and just in case if that database lives in Oracle cloud infrastructure, then maybe look at the new offerings from Oracle which are related to generative AI. Oracle has come up with OCI Generative AI service, which is a platform designed to create enterprise AI capabilities. This service is already available in beta, and soon it will be available general if not already. This service primarily allows you to use open source Llama 2 and also Cohere's multi-language embeddings to provide businesses with the tools to fine tune these models to their specific needs. The OCI Generative AI service is designed to be flexible and accessible, offering integration with OCI or even the on premise through OCI dedicated region. It aims to streamline AI applications by providing enhanced management of GPU and TPU clusters, and also it supports queries in over 100 languages. This OCI service is also encompassing integration of RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation agents into OCI OpenSearch, which enables intuitive natural language document queries. There are also future plans to integrate with Oracle Database 23c using AI vector search, which will further enhance database search capabilities. Also, the introduction of pre-built agent actions to improve workflows across Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, encompassing ERP, HCM, SCM, and CX, as well as industry-specific applications. Also, Oracle has announced a no-code AI quick action feature for OCI data science platform, and I'll be doing a separate video on it very soon. Primarily, this feature is aimed at simplifying the deployment of open source language models for users, making it easier for enterprises to adopt and integrate AI into their operations without the need for extensive coding expertise. So this was just a quick overview of this newly released OCI Generative AI service. If you're already using it, please share your experience in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.